specter haunting the United States of America, the specter of fascism. Recently, I went for some medical tests, and a small cancer was found in something called a diverticulum. The doctor said, if we take it out, it's curable. But if you don't treat it, and it enters the bloodstream, that's not curable. So I had successful surgery and arrived home, healed the first week of June. 4 years of Donald Trump and profound damage was done to our democratic institutions. More Americans died unnecessarily from his incompetent, narcissistic response to the pandemic than all American deaths from terrorism, wars, or mass shootings in my lifetime. If he's elected again, we will get a taste of what fascism is really like, and his vulgarian, authoritarian cancer will permanently pollute the American political bloodstream. After a short delay caused by my surgery, I will travel overland from Lisbon, Portugal on the Atlantic coast to the Bosphorus Strait in Istanbul, visiting countries that have flirted with or embraced fascism. I will talk to experts as well as people on the street, in trains, pubs, and cafes. I want to understand what fascism is, how fascists came to power, what were the human costs, and what can we learn from those experiences as Americans. This will be my third Kickstarter project, the first two successfully executed. And I need you to come along with me. I love my country, and I think a citizen's job is to be one grain of sand on the beach of resistance to fascism. The journey starts on July 4th, Independence Day, when we decided on people's governance, government of, by, and for the people, when we rejected oligarchs and autocrats. Please join me on this project to take an updated understanding of fascism to swing state voters and remove fascists like Donald Trump from public life forever.